Some people may have some things we are going to share with Uno, seeing, and boy, may I tell our people, the situation with Rosealee, boy, Jano Star, yo, fear make so much millions still in our people, and spend like, it look like you don't spend $1 on which part you live, you know. You see me, I say, it don't look good none at all, but we are going to hear from some of the people, them, you know what I mean, we have them opinion on the situation. Jano, people, it's like, me don't know if you know did watch that video there, but me put up a video and me I say that the time there I think Shay did a cuss Rosealee, and I say yo, Rosealee plays dirty and a bag of things, and me say in that video they say yo, Rosealee, you see, me always hear say you fi keep your place properly decent, you know what I mean, because you don't know what can happen and people show up at your yard, whether something happen to you and them have to carry you go in at your yard or whatever, so you have to keep your surroundings proper, you see me, and me not say it about a week good and this come happen, you see me, so we're going to hear from Ivany, my people, because Ivany a different Rosealee and a diss up Shay. You see me, I say, we also are going to hear from, me have a little part with Shay and Shibada scene, and boy, them a create a piece of excitement over the door. I mean, they talk about the door in the video before this one, and I say, yo, the door, they look away still, you know what I mean? Jano, boy, me I tell my people, yo, you see the man, me also have Rosealee boyfriend. See, I go explain what really happened. You understand me? But my people, you see, the person who video Rosealee are somebody who don't like her. You see me I say, are somebody who don't like her none at all. You see me? Somebody will watch her and I like her behavior and decide to say, yo, I've running in the place and I saw it look, me I go do this and put it out. You see me? So this youth here where Rosealee and our man did in a vybz with from in the community where I've decided the youth on here moan something like that. Him say him know the reason why the police them guard the yard. You see me I say? So him no want to talk about it, but eventually it will come out. You see me I say? So me have a bag of things, me people, cause even blame them, me have blame them, you see me I say, and you know what I mean, I just kick it off, you know, and maybe me add other things to it as me go on, so make we get in it.
I come class Shay, cause Shay too out of the two. As far as me see nobody a class or everybody they on their side, the people they wrong for true them not to do that. They wrong. You are somebody with me like. Why is everyone making fun of her? I'm not sure nobody make fun of her yet. Every school people them say them wrong. She a class her. Shay needs to go class the man and she fucking a pampas. Shay can't class nobody cause last time I set my check Shay go up and eat up on the wall of fear something and run like river. Tell them I hear? How much time I see me go up on my head top for somebody when my plant herpes don't so whenever see me pump my leg. And then one time she go up on fear, head top fear, something just run so like a river, go down to the pit of hell. She not for class nobody. At least blood clot Rosealee have a big house where police can take her picture and post. She can't even move around in I never say she stay in her house and take a picture yet. She stuck one place in the blood clot white dirty coat. See me? Can't move. He just stuck so in the government blood clot house. And since my cousin one day and change off the sofa and put white on it, stuck. The man in cheerleader run back and eat the bullfrog. Me don't know what kind of butch that the woman they be. Every argument Shay in a like a big cheerleader, like a backup singer. Like a backup singer when you're on stage, you have the backup singer on a back and sing for you. Every moment think Shay in a eat the bullfrog, the toad. Jesus, I can't stand him. My God. That's what I'm telling you. Uno Salaman go marry and know uno gender. That's why Trump have to say, know your gender. Cause you could never be a butch so-called man. And every argument your woman you pick it up. No man, you're a batty man, batty woman. You're supposed to pick up Shay argument. You're supposed to just I know Shay tired of you sometime, Can I see pan Shay tired of you? When there's a hungry set of mongrel, I never see Shay with one plate. Them soon bad me, I never see Shay with one plate and you with one plate. Always one plate. You no ever fight over food. Whether Shay tell us if you tap me about her food and she call her like a puppy and give a piece. I never see you with a plate and she with a plate. I be eating left on a blood clot there. I think me know you fall, my girl. How you reach a Amsterdam? I saw a place name. America, the Rasta girl did there, and she have a rape charge, grape charge, and run on if a grape charge in America and run over Shay, I don't want to bust it up. I don't want to bust it up. Shay sell you all her pitney them for your iPhone and can't even eat the apple off of the back because the apple is fake. You got dirty girl. These Rosealee alone, she's a cross with man. You can't see woman in her worst time like this. And you trouble her same way. Come on man, if you stop it. You can't be the bigger mature person. And I say, alright then, as much as me and Rose are no friend. I mean nah, look no friend for her, but that wrong. Bomba clot and have a heart of a lion. You have a heart of a lion. Have a heart of a blood clot lion. Because we did wish dead pan TJ and Maya so me couldn't wait for car crash and kill them. And as me see the incident will go on, and me write paragraph to both of them so. And it could have happened to anybody else, anything at all when they on the internet. Will happen to anybody when me not like. All if I send you a paragraph, me not care if you want to post it because it come truly deep down from me. I see a woman in her worst. And despite I want to have you there for your life a class or the laugh. I mean no. God can take off of the cross. Me no say for you it happened to Rosealee would have turned on and say I fuck with that. Bad to bad should I say I fuck with that. And I tell her. I smile when I see and watch her know. Should I turn on and say I fuck with that. Bad to bad, although you're Rosealee nothing. Rosealee that say boy, bad to bad guys, no, I'm a friend for her, but I fuck with that. And you could have just put where you have a side with she and say a bullshit that. You sit down and you rejoice and you're like, you can't give a few people then your heart less. You may expect better from you. To take finger. Then that the big dirty toe they could have finger me. Shay you gone to the dogs. You need to go dash that the toe there on a riverton. Because you should see a man you want. You sit down off the planets of the apes, Zumba. And you see King Donia. And your front start leak. I like the Saturday you sit in the most frowns in the blood clot. Cause you leak on that and dry on that leak.
Alright, so them say anything goes in a love and war, my people. You see me I say, and Shay and Rosealee are enemy them. You see me? So that are just ammunition for Shay bring down Rosealee more. So me now go say Shay wrong for do what she do, enemy do what them do. And that's the worst thing them can possibly do to anybody with them inner things with. So not because a boy them come in pan her and she vulnerable or whatever. Shay I go ease off and say no sorry, no Shay I go hard because Rosealee maybe would have go hard if the shoes did up on the next foot. And Ivany I say Shay should Ivany annihilate fear enemies them and diss them at the worst point and tell them the worst things. So she's saying that about Shay, maybe because I just a Shay and she just wants sound a type of way, because Ivany play with people. That are the thing what me know. See, so make watch some more me people.
On that and dry on that. Don't be surprised. The little white thing where they behind the sofa is a big blanket, you know. So she put it all about. So when she leak on that and dry, she take it off and she go wash it so it not really soak in her sofa. We understand. Because I don't know what kind of matches back business and destiny I run. If I saw government also put me outside under the blood clot, but stop me sleep when it's chilly and cold. Cause Mr. Destiny go on him head top of dance, so he-ha. And me only a hear can't put them a lick on the blood clot ceiling. Under your blood clot. I never see that in the days of my 27 years life on the earth. Somebody staying at their house and go up on their head top and this blood clot whole 10 to them on the heel back just a beat up in the ceiling. At least she can go up and feel head top, but boy, it's one or some matches box, government matches box tenement yard, you know. I just in the kitchen, your head reach all the ceiling. If you fry a breadfruit, it clap on the ceiling and drop right back down in the pot. And these are the people that want to argue with people that is living a better life than them. These are the people that want to argue with people that are living better life than them. Come on, man, you can't laugh at a girl, laugh at the woman in her worst moments. So, Shay, if nobody not tell you, if I were you, I'm sure you say you not have no shame. Cause if I was you, you see just the fact that Mr. Rosealee too put them kiss her upon her cheek, me da lag off. Me da lag right off. Call no, me can't see a call for them for kiss you upon your. Not even borrow you can borrow them. Not even upon a loan them can't loan them back. Yes, a disgrace to human society. Me say, when I Louis me a ice to eat, me a Louis me a ice to go sit down and mince up Louis and eating, cause me nah give ice for love nor money. He only go with ice to go where when him reach 21 and him gone, but and now when him reach 21 he's still welcome in my house and him gone about him business. And you want to argue with the lady that live with her 2 nice kids and her husband. And the man that live with her long are basically her husband. And then the people you want to argue with, Shay look sour, Shay look like them sour newnie. Shay, you smell like newnie. Me not smell it, nobody not tell me where go there, but just by the look at it, me know under the smell like newnie. You can't see something I see when it frownsy, like my bestie. Every root of a frownsy Rasta man, yeah. You can look on something and know when it frownsy, and when it stink. You smell like noni and you look like noni. You just look spoiled. I never see you and say wow. I never see you yet and say wow. You just always look sour. If I filter, but you just look sour. And the people them Amsterdam country or state, whatever you want to call it, I don't know where they. I must see where you live because you could never live in England. Or a part of England, or which part of the world come back at the back of the world you live. And fear Rasta man look like bun up jerk chicken. Fear Rasta man run a back, fear backup singer. Look like a bun up jerk chicken when jerk chicken bun up, you just have to just and dash with that blood clot bun up. Cause I could never hear a man that every argument you in. Let me tell you something. You see if he just run that back and I said, who do so bad? Every time I hear Shay talk, you piss me off more than how Shay piss me off, honestly. Right now you sick me, you piss me, you upset my spirit more than how Shay upset my spirit. Leave Rosealee man, the woman up on her worst right now. I really have fast with her. Leave her alone. I'm too disgusting and take disgusting thing out of proportion. You're a nasty girl, you left good man gonna cock a pussy. Eat to the dirty body girl. My girl, you see when me used to take woman as sick as my vagina be like one to say, I don't take a careless girl. Believe you me not take careless girl. I must say one little retarded girl me did kiss come on my under the blood clot pill. And the girl with themself you a mackerel the time we at Jamaica. I must see 3 pill me did under. And at that time what me not even did no say I kiss a girl till the morning light. Yes, when me in a detention girl and the Colombia girl them come through the border. I tell you see a top girl blood clot them there in them country. Girl with them teeth do. Girl with them nose do. Girl with them breast stiff. Girl with them body big. Girl will have them business at them yard and them money. And them the top girl that will come kind of pussy and dog come in a blood clot border. And a pussy and dog alone come through border. You have decent people who have them money and them thing and them just decide them to come through the border or run through the border for a better life or maybe them turn down for a visa and them try that way. Nice clean girl. I wish we could have did show some of them picture.
Alright, so people, let me know what you think about what Ivany said. Is because upon a level still, me can rank Shay for move to Rosealee when she see the chance for attack. You know what I mean? Because them have a saying what them say, don't kick a person when them down. Some people say at the best time to kick them. And Shay woman me people, me nah lie, yo, she's annoying some of the time. You see, me just feel like say she want to come on TikTok and make a name for herself also because Shay up on TikTok, or maybe because Shay spend too much time on TikTok. That are the only place the two of them can kind of rap away like. So whenever Shay a cuss, she just like, you know what I mean, go in it and cuss too. You see me? So they can have a little bonding moment in a cussing because them not get much time to kind of spend together because she up on TikTok so often. That's why she start forward, you know what I mean, and in an argument when she a cuss. You see me? Let me know what you think. I watch some more.
That's my favorite one. I should nice to see that bitch. Clean girl me take. When you take some butter ears woman, me have to wonder if a some man done pan uno. Me have to wonder if a some man really not want uno for you gone to that the frog there. If it out of imagine in a film batty wall. Because your woman blick so she not black you know she blick. Imagine fear batty wall and fear front wall on your mouth. That's why I am from money, you know. When you could bite a meat or suck a bun and give me a nasty girl. Me, I rather dead for hungry. I'm not shame out. I don't know, the girl just always look sour. Let me see. I never go on a picture and you look proper. You ever look sour. You want to see how when Rosealee put on her clothes and she look nice. It burned me out the girl upon her last for you and come and joke it out and laugh it out. If you stop it. And your friend Kitty she with fear big nose.
You want to say Candy a joke?
Jesus, the girl was...
Come from me like she a joke, she.
Look how she sour.
I take it as joke. But when I see her go and come in on my inbox now, you say, Shay, I say what I say. I'm gonna apologize. I say what the blood clot this.
Shay, you need to change the filter. Get a filter what in your mouth pink and not white. Cause if nobody not tell me, I tell you, you know, say every time you go live your in your mouth get white or white. What kind of filter that you use? A white filter name. It look like a filter change for your blood clot compression going in your mouth. I don't know what. Every time I see your mouth get white and sodier. You want this big old bull coat something in your nose. I don't know why you think the contact they look. Your contact make you look wild. Like demons gone and you just look disgusting from the app. You need to fix up yourself. Look how she looks.
See apology.
And your eyebrows them are run all left you.
Did ask for your apology. Because me never tell me a company to come back nobody
I don't even know if it's white background you have or cream.
That's why I have Kitty, because Kitty willing to come.
What's wrong with that?
Just don't give back your carpet everywhere in the mouth.
Shay just looks sore.
Can I move and calm me down today? Today's not the day where you gonna come move and calm me down and blow the whole fucking place down. What you need to do is get up off of your big sheet spreading. You look like
No, you need to get up off of that blood clot she's spreading dirty, girl. You need to get up off of that sour stinking blood clot sofa that you've been sitting down on from 2001 come straight up to 2020 blood clot fight. Share your background sour than how you sour. You not be telling nobody so them need to get up. You need to get up. And when I get up, get a bucket under there. Because you're leaking. And I have the video because Sky Diamond, my bestie, have it in our video. You're leaking, you're leaking, you're leaking, you're leaking. You need some thick panty. You like who know where leak supposed to know what kind of panty to wear. I mean, I really too wear white, you know. Me not really too wear white because when my wife come like when you mix, when me wear white jazz, it come like when you mix white clothes and red clothes in a machine and it not really come back out white. So girl like uno supposed to know uno pussy stay underneath uno. You're supposed to know what color jazz for wear. If you wear it thick or if you wear it thin. Girl like if you wear it well thick. Just like when you eat steak, you have it well done, well thick. I know leak year to year, month to month, days to days, weeks to blood clot weeks. Oh, dirty girl. You want to come on and cuss the girl. Leave the woman alone. Leave the woman alone. Leave the woman, you and your next little girl. You see how kitty she? I say. That's why when I see Destiny come for your pitney, me laugh. I mean I cuss her daughter, me just say. When I see this man go for your pitney, me laugh. Just like when they come for me, everybody laugh. You know why? You say he's a mother. Knowing me, you know, be honest. Me not really just walk around and talk to people, you know. Let's get this straight. Ask anybody about me when me I trouble people. Me not really just get out and just read a report or trouble you. You see anybody when me and them in a things, me we just always go back for you, talk on you or make one little content video. Make one little content video or something, that's it. But you see like how Kitty she just have baby one day and you turn Urban the reporter. Urban me not really send but I call ice right now, blood clot girl. Can me tell you come here and call ice. Dirty boy! Okay, you play, you gonna see. Okay. You gonna see something. Tell me that blood clot. You take everybody problem for your head, girl. But stop it and you just have baby what there. Everybody busy to take up for your head. But when I forget say your baby father, you buy car, come out like say a TikTok money buy it and you buy Kitty please, Kitty. When you not read people file, your file supposed to clean. When you not read people file, your file supposed to clean. Cause the last time I checked, all these months that you spend on TikTok and gain all of those money off a dear game, you buy car. And I never forget the day Maya sit down on live and tell you how she proud of you and congrats. And I will never forget the next day me come on the live and I tell you congratulations, congrats. Only if you know so we are congrats your man. Cause you take the blood clot car by go give your man. And in the middle of the wilderness when you're sleeping, the man drive out that blood clot. At least leaving at the apartment, girl. So man they left in that cold. The man take the car and gone left you. The man don't even want in the picnic life. The man not care. The man just let off a sperm, take the car and gone. So Kitty, let's not forget that let's not forget that we know your problems too. So when you're gonna come on to everybody, the stove off. I saw it here when it hot, the counter hot, so it show red. So let's not forget that you buy a man car and the man, I know the man na link your back. I know the man na link your back. You start take Uber. I know you come out at everybody business like you're a good somebody. Yes, just for the media. Talk say you gift a suck away a man from you. Yeah. Cause the girl them a gift you for take on no man. That's why I like when the man them gift me, you know. Cause them have this what them can take. But you know have the local girl them on TikTok a gift you know. And I know so them see something, that's why them a gift you for buy you know. Them gift you for get close to you know. I wanna start telling you no business about the man and them sweep on the man from you. Cause you know the money girl in your gift have money more than
Boy, Ivany, I come out for Rosealee still in a jail, no star. I think me have a clip with Shay and the Catwoman attack still, you know. And I see if me find it and, you know what I mean, go, me gonna see what I go on with them did attack, both or whatever. You understand? But I just saw it go me people, if you're a personal deal, and you know like them to the point where, you see me, you that do them something, and something happen to them, you know I'm gonna say yo, oh you're sorry for you, say boy something happen to them because you that do them something if you have the chance. You know what I mean? But hear me say my people, cause I always I say this, like when it come to these people on TikTok, me really look on what them do as entertainment. You see me I say until them show me different, well me I have it as entertainment, but me know what I think with people. I watch some more.
You know, tell people them say, your gift to take away your man. I know your man can't be seen. Your man don't even want to get court in the picnic life. When not careless baby mother. And the fact that you have a girl baby and you sit down on life and mix up every single day with your scatter teeth them. Like when the man a teeth the care, the man mix up. Like African in your sleep. Your teeth them not up scatter left, right and center. Kitty stand up and show your baby okay, it don't look good. I don't know who gonna tell you about me, I'll tell you the safe. I want video I try on some clothes, you know. Yeah, I do some look a promo, you know. I'm see the bottom and say, what is that? Huh? I see a bottom and say, what is that? Huh? Allow me to tell guys, I never see Kitty on live when she did a promote some, she put on some look a bodysuit thing and she have the handbag thing them when she in the room. After baby everything, long after she have a baby, she put on the bodysuit and her body look, me say her body look like it a reach ground. Her body look like it a, everybody, every girl BBL, is either them foot smaller than them body, but the body kitty only girl me see the body and the body a run really far. The body want find it weird right back to the surgeon. The body do like kitty. The body a bar, take me back please. I only girl me see body a run left. Everybody body up but it's just too big. Yours a run left you. I don't know. I don't want to argue with people. If you leave the people up on the internet, phone argument too personal. People like we take people life a little or nothing. Phone argument is too personal for me. That's why I'm not really run joke with you know. I'm not really follow up because the argument is too personal. I want somebody catch up one time. I want to take it to heart. And next year I want to steal a cuss somebody. When I'm a police, you know, want to call it immigration and check it stop maybe half of the family is an immigrant. When you want to call people. We don't want to call immigration from people. A majority of the family is immigrant also. And I'm sure you were an immigrant before you get your citizenship too. Well, I'm married man and get the papers or you win your asylum or you did run off or your green card you sort out yourself. But majority of only come America and never come here straight and stay here and work out things the normal way or them file phone and run off and deal with anything. And when people do the same thing and run off and quick for call blood clot immigration and for go ahead. Because I see me catch up. I see you jump in that topic one heap of time about me, you know. I see you throw shit about me enough time and I say nothing. I no quick for call nobody for you. And the one time I answer you back, you say you go call immigration for me in the morning. Oh no, I'm afraid I want you fuck. I said I'm gonna follow you up. Cause you look a bit of bad mind. All the big mouth one named Taya Shay next one. Cause she well want attention for your old man, for your American citizen. Then me could have the American citizen and worry about people on TikTok. No, my girl, no better for do. Me could have really become a citizen of America and follow up people on social media. But let's get this straight. She said that. Let's get this straight. I just can't understand why every hater or why everybody with me and them have a follow, them obsessed with me that much. Be real, I seen it with my own eyes. This girl, my entire situation done from when me did in a lockup. And I'll say again, she did message me and tell me that she glad me come out, whatever. I read that, block that. Me never end up talking with her. I never want a friend from her, block her. It done. You know, so from that, the woman has stop follow me up. When Lioness post on her page, set up vlog and all of these big, all of them vlogger page, they will post me and thing. The woman finds some way to left a comment underneath it. Every little mix-up page, every vlogger page, every mix-up page will have something to do with me and family court or with my little son or wagwan. She finds some way to have something to say under the comments them. Bear in mind, you know, I don't see nothing we're going with this woman and make no remarks or make no comment. So why you keep following me up? Now you claim to say sensation them at in your DM I send 30 and the things them, which we know a lie. Which we know a lie. You make a big deal out of it and go on live and talk about them can't send a threat or whatever. But why you have a problem with everything one going? Remember you were once a sensation. Remember say you were one of us and you used to back me in everything when I do. You know when me do the wrong things them and you back me same way. You black and class people for me same way. You know when me do the things them and I cuss people and do the wrong things them. You back me in everything. You used to class the people, then you come live and you go on. So why now you more change? Why now as me I fall out? Oh, you know like the things that we share do again. The things that you did like and that you did use to follow me up with are the same thing me I go on with. So oh no, you not like them.
Hey, and that's why them have a saying where them say if you want to know your friend, pretend like you're dead. Pretend like you're mad and you know no sense. I think a vybz kartel did say that. But yeah, it's like Ivany feel that right now. You know what I mean? So, you see in life, you have to know when a person is a yes person. And you know when a person is a genuine person. But most people love yes person. You see what I say? And you never know how a person really view you until you and them have a misunderstanding. You hear what Ivany say? When she used to do the wrong thing them. You know what I mean? She used to back her. And now that she and I fall out, when she had do the wrong thing them or whatever, she a call it out, but she never used to call it out. So you have to be careful of the people them around you, because them same one will lead you to destruction, because them see you do the wrong thing and them now go say, yo, you know, see you do the wrong thing, them a go want to find the word for it. Them a go, they can't find the word, but them a go help you. You know what I mean? Go down the part there and know see a destruction you are going on. So make watch some more with people.
Just because me ain't a friend, but if me ain't a friend, you would have still like them. But I know, and I always the big woman them. But I see a young girl yet for me, you know. I don't see a young girl where yet for me. I always some big woman.
That's Andre Stevens, your farmer boss. Me know Jakes as a chef. Yeah, so when people are talk about, when Rosealee are talk about rice and sardine, I'm me one of them will teach Jakes the operation of do certain cooking. But we not come here for that tonight. GX, what happened outside this morning when make you reach in?
I come in my house. I come in my house. I'm right to reach and from my veranda, the doorway, I see the Hilux van stop on my gate. I'm still come out of the van, so I continue going to my house same way and reach my room. My room now in the back part of my house, you know. You understand? When I reach him, I see my room, the first time my mother-in-law room, because the PR room at the front of the house.
Yes.
I shoot them rifle in the room with them light and everything, so I watch them. So by the time reach to me, I touch my baby mother. But by the time she will jump up, I don't move, no, don't move. Rifle in my face, flashlight in my face. What's your name? So I tell them my right name. So I ask for my name, I say GX. I see one I move past my guy around in the kitchen, guy around in the back. The one of them start flooding in the house now. You understand? So my baby mother come out now. And I ask her, walk one. But my baby mother sleep naked. And even when she come out, no man not try to see, you know, no man not try to. The police came in my room and asked about one of my acquaintance. You understand? A person I reason with sometime. Them still know which part him there, whatever. Say, come out now, I'm done with me now. The man take out him phone and him come out of the hall. But to me, know how police work sometime, or how my ears them work. When they work about information, and information come by them phone.
Yes. So
me I feel like, so yo, you know, I'm going to work on them phone, you know, for move on to the next location or whatever. Friends for years say, come for a funeral, I'm going to come in back on here, say, my baby mother on the internet naked, you know. And the only person they stand up on my doorway with them phone and them answers and fighting them house.
Was the brown policeman?
Yeah. Was that brown policeman?
No.
Was that same brown policeman? So I wonder.
I'm in a house with a woman fully naked and videoed her.
Yeah. Video and I laughed, you know. And the man asked me, I like to know if me I tell him my full name. I publicize my full name, the whole internet, the whole world know my full name right now. I'm not that correct. I should even give my ID in my house. I mean, I work with the officer and give her my ID for sure. Say, yo, my name, I'm always, I am who I am. I still, I post something, I like that. So I will take this thing further, I like that.
Whoa.
Can't believe the man and really do that, brother.
And she's an idiot. You're telling me, say, you're not gonna
Nicki Minaj put money pa mountain head.
She no sister, she there's other sides to the story.
Hey, one thing me know, Nicki be a false news they get. Nobody no seek asylum in a foreign. Move your blood clot. Move your fake looking blood clot rubber dolly pussy hole fry and go suck your mama. Nobody has to see it now. So where you get them fake news from? Not me. I sue for blood clot sue. So sue me for Rosealee. I'm a sue back blood clot Rosealee because she put out my video last week. I'm have every proof. So sue for sue.
And look, long time video she got dig up
sue for blood clot sue. So I get the game start, Nicki.
Exactly. Shay. How comes Nicki Minaj not talk about that charge? She not go like she not see the video. And she
because Rose not tell her them thing.
Rose and the people over there.
But Shanti, Rose not tell her that she must see because she depend TikTok.
Blood clot. Sue me, I'm sue you back.
When Rosealee put up mountain picture for them analyzing.
I see it. Nicki,
that's
bring your money come.
You are getting out of hand now.
You and Rosealee bringing the money come. Sue for sue. A whole heap of people in my corner right now already.
This is getting out of order. Out of order. The recording is
not gonna like
Shay, your picture in a green screen.
Here, yeah.
So she put up Shay too?
Here, Nicki Minaj jam scare.
You know, so I put in Rosealee live that she lying and then block me. I said, talk the truth. You're lying. Talk
Yeah, man, when you talk over them and them block you. Yeah.
Alright, I just want to say this, you know what I mean, pertaining to Nicki Minaj and her involvement in like the TikTok world in Jamaica. Nicki Minaj, don't forget who you are. Them want be you, so don't want be them, because them want be you. Them want achieve what you achieve. Them want the wish part you there. You can come down on for them level 1 and 2 times. Don't stay too long. Don't get involved. Just sit on the sideline and watch. You know what I mean? Because the situation here, and you give your opinion on a side with Rosealee and something, I gonna make these people disrespect you. You understand? And it don't look good for a big international superstar. I get disrespect by people who would I consider a nobody, because you well known, nobody don't know them but people on TikTok. You understand? And you can buy them life. You can change them life also. You understand? People, leave your comment.
Yeah, them black
I said, talk the truth, Rosealee. I tell lie from people.
Shade Lataya Stewart.
Me put down some Mountain and Shay don't have nothing to do with it.
So they have up Shay picture to in the screen.
A long time picture. You can't live on one side.
No man, how can people be so wicked and evil?
Wait, Kasha, wait. Nicki, you come and Belgium and them treat you like shit. Come back. Right. You come and Belgium and them treat you like shit. They lock you up. Come back.
I can't believe this.
You come and Belgium and them
really.
treat you like shit. Them treat you like you're nobody. Everybody see the video. Me don't even see the video over share the room.
Can't believe the woman just changed her mouth just like that.
Yeah, Shade.
True sake of money. True sake of money.
Right.
And the money she
Right now,
you know.
Only carry the news properly. My name Shade Lataya Store. My name spell SHA_DEY. Lataya Store. I'm born June the 22nd, 1993. I'm live in Belgium. Tell her for come.
Where's Destiny?
Talk now. Tell her to spell my name properly. SHA between the A and the D, DEY. Thank you. Please to spell my name properly, bitch. Talk now. Only can't talk.
So I never know so something could actually go so.
Think no blood clot, so for
Nicki don't have nothing to do with
She don't have nothing to do. Nicki don't have
nothing to do with
like shit.
She don't have no more song figure right. She don't have nothing up her to do.
I'm a rate woman, you don't know why she come and do this tonight to come and make Rosealee feel like. And them suck me and me not like no, because them make Rosealee feel like she has God for the app.
No man, so me I go watch who Rosealee want to go home.
Kasha, look here. You see, if Nicki Minaj did even want to come and show Rosealee little sympathy, she shouldn't come then and try comfort her in a one different way. But no come, I go like you want to call up people and I call down all kind of some pan people and I bring down people. Like
Rose innocent. Rose not innocent in nothing.
And you said to Rose, say, boy, you're sorry about that or whatever. That you want to be a woman or a friend to Rose, you do that. But all of this when Nicki Minaj are not relevant, it make no sense.
And the people them over there want to see people analyze to enough for Nicki Minaj push money. But watch God. God a go humble with blood clot.
True man, they must say God run this earth.
God a go humble Nicki Minaj.
And Rosealee sit down nice
God a
and
go
quiet.
humble Nicki Minaj because she have money a go like say. Money have power. Watch God. Watch blood clot God.
Rosealee sit down so nice, so quiet and content.
Yeah, man. Him a look sorry for.
You cannot have sex with a patient in a nursing home. You're right.
Them need to go find the screen recording where she talk about the man a molest him own daughter. And that them need to go find.
You want to know one nursing home.
Well, you see the thing about it though.
Pampas, calm down.
Me no name some.
You see the thing about it though. The woman would have still come and help her. She not feel lie. She not feel lie from people. The woman still would have come and help her regardless. What she feel lie for?
She said Shay send the police to Maria.
They don't know my name. Nicki can do no.
Yeah, me I watch you live. Me I hear the live.
Yeah.
My goodness, what a evil little woman. You what?
So hold on. Nicki, I go sue the whole of Jamaica then. Because the whole of Jamaica have the video. And the mountain alone have the video. So she'll sue over Instagram and everybody over there will post it.
Must. I can't believe that the girl so wicked and lie. And just turn around everything. What you have to lie for?
You know she wants something.
But her voice is recorded.
You know Rose must feel good now.
That's a mountain for ad.
You know Rose
China green screen.
Rose must feel good now, so Nicki Minaj they over there on her side.
But she's an idiot because it's recorded everywhere when she say Mountain and Shay don't have nothing to do with it. And they never pay nobody. Now she'll change up her amount straight away just like that. True say come money.
They look close.
One waste man.
You watch. This is gonna be her downfall. And I don't feel sorry for her. Then should have shook the God up in her batty wall.
A lot of people.
Wicked.
And watch your Rosealee sit down and wait for her Prime Minister to answer Nicki Minaj.
Please.
Can I tell you? She look for mountain picture.
I stress
and
out.
Nicki Minaj I look for the gift.
Who is Nicki Minaj to talk about anything anyway?
Look up mountain in a green screen.
Look on the man she married to.
They put up mountain in a green screen.
She buy out for her husband case.
Exactly. And her brother. Look who her brother is.
If you rest it.
She not a moral. She don't have no morals.
Was not innocent.
Even though I already did.
Like how the woman self that's so. Why she never go God on the time? Why she never go to them poor country and help some of them poor people there?
Yes,
Jamaica
yeah, Nicki Minaj, she need for move. Them need for the woman do. Because she need for move this waste man from your son. Oh God, Rosealee, you want mountain for dead?
That girl will play with people life.
Nicki Minaj said she come to Jamaica.
Yeah, she said she'll come to Jamaica.
Them a put money for mountain head.
She coming to Jamaica, she said she'll come a yard.
Oh, the asylum
she comes from?
I don't know what she'll come here for.
People who have taken asylum in other
Let's talk
countries.
about told Rosealee out.
Listen, that the whole of that yard need dash way. Go buy a one mansion.
People every day.
What a wicked, I can't believe so. You know, so me sit down on Rosealee and listening to her and going in between Shay and her and Shay and her. I never said nothing. I hear out of her own mouth when she said, don't have nothing to do with them. And she don't care. Is who put it out. It's the
Minaj move like she have whole heap of power to blood clot. Money make people have power. Father God, where you there?
If you are seeking
for humble Nicki Minaj.
You know like this site.
When
she get locked out on the veranda?
No.
And the people them have video are. You know see that one day?
No, then when she get locked out, then she will start the war.
Why do them she says them claim to say it's an operation. But she says an operation, the people them around can them come and ask her questions and so. Mama show you the one way. Them she'll get locked out a door.
I hope she's not naked.
Naked?
No, show it. Man,
no, you're not going to see she. Like,
So this a little bit after it happened, seen. So them a go show Rosealee door and talk about it, and boy, me nah lie, she bad and Shay, them have a field day upon the on this, right? But my people, you know who must happy right now? Destiny. And I know a man will look like now them can't ease up off of Destiny. You see me, I say Rosealee are the main focus, you know, so Destiny I go get a nice little time for just keep back and build. But all him at this Rosealee too. You see me, I say, so we are going to watch some more with people.
Now go see her. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. The people them out there video and I laugh. Then terribly. Jesus.
Operation, but why a fair and that one go up and operate? Why a fair and go up and operate? I take them sting operation and go take Jake out of the wrong one. And save them same Jakes.
Yeah. People talk it and say, them come on the internet and a project themselves, them not live their life. People say my bad mind.
Right. But them not live my life for true and them love class people.
Yeah, people say my bad mind, wickedly. People say me this, people say me that. And I tell people them say, look how I send money go get all along. This look like somebody will need a change. Yeah?
No, sir.
Don't care how much Lion Rosealee get her house with still dirty.
Dirty.
Yeah.
Somebody say no matter how your mother say you're poor, your house will always clean.
Your house will always clean. I say I go see my mama pull up garbage.
No, sir. My
when I talk to the same this and my dad see the proof in the pudding there. See the lady there with the billions of dollars and the dirty house. I remember nobody no rich like she, nobody no have it like she, every girl on the internet page, she that a garbage, a mad the girl, garbage.
That mad all the girls them.
Yeah, see we are mad all the girls them, the garbage.
And that be tell them, say a garbage mad all the girls them. That mad the girls them.
Rosealee.
All the girls them.
A glass table, I wonder why you're putting them so shine. Glass table them. Why you them sleep in a living room and you really on the upper arguing girl.
Why argue with me? I be a white in so girl. You have to clean carpet in yourself, a vacuum and steam.
Yes.
Oh, me have 3-in-1 vacuum. That have to steam.
I may have one vacuum, I have to get the 3-in-1 vacuum.
Yes, my vacuum have to steam. When I vacuum the carpet, it steam and something spray out tight way. Fit for the carpet clean.
Say, send a picture, it come at my order right away.
I have to, you're crazy.
Right away, me order. Because of the single vacuum, I have to man. Me have to little camera.
Yes, Cap.
Semania Shay.
So you use Cap. Oh, you use vacuum in Jamaica. Oh.
Yeah. You are?
No, I missed it.
Say.
And I missed it.
Yeah.
I missed it, me say.
I just don't give vacuum my carpet everywhere in my house.
No.
She said we use vacuum in Jamaica. Yeah. Say I want to thump in the head with something. Hey girl, you shoot me now. You shoot me while I go to look things that me have the Bangkok. Eh? What I look at it? Hey girl, say you shoot me now.
No, I been a shot you, I missed it.
No, you rub me out the way, I'm gonna say.
No.
You rub me now. You're.
Hey. No, I rub you.
I'm gonna say, I look at him and get up in there. God, no. Boy, you're silent, but I love.
Should we do it together, Bob Capital?
Yes, love. But we want to go to Rosealee now.
Come on.
We're urban there. We're blam them there.
I don't know.
We want to go to Rosealee. My friend wants a bed. Rosealee has seen Pana Asak. Rosealee has seen. Me say you ever drive down you ever come from Mandela Marcus? Me don't know don't son name, me don't know. You understand me? And I drive down a town bottom this up. I see them have the little start like bed the motor road.
Yeah.
Hey, can't believe say that Rosealee asleep, man. Can't believe.
And it look like a single bed, you know, because you know.
No, single for Shanti and Barbara. They living with me, you know.
Because my one a California King.
A California King, you know?
Yeah, California
friend.
Yeah, California King.
California King.
One time I never know my sheet size, you know. And one of my friend come tell me I want my sheet size. Me used to buy some sheet was I put them on and I go up on it roll off. Yeah, because I never know the sheet size.
Queen size.
And my friend come tell me, say, Shay, yes, to see a California King. A king size, queen size, my buy that me idea.
Somebody say, oh, Rosealee for buy a bed when she have to eat. Somebody else say a hospital bed Rosealee. I'm so true.
Boy, rough.
Everybody know get her house. Don't share. Anything in the bar.
You know, one woman go say, Baba, Shanta, kiss.
Like a far them there. Like a far, she never realize they're out the road.
Cause, true me know me can't say, Jaya, sure, kiss.
But them clean. Them they respond good. Then she come here now. You are gonna tell me now, so when me talk, so they pick them bumpy with dirt. Look on the living can. Actually, the people that don't see the video yet. Somebody should soon post it on TikTok.
If they're on TikTok.
Okay.
If they all bought them after seat.
Okay. That don't look like if you give the pig them scaly.
That is why little boy have ringworm in them head. A ringworm? Ringworm.
Ringworm in them head and ringworm in them mouth. And then, you see, people sitting and say, you always a disrespect picnic. See, disrespect there.
I mean, I don't see video. You don't see video? Yeah. What the person name will post the video? Never fear them.
Mountain.
I like mountain no post it. I like them at 10.
No to mama. The
person name never fear them. Never fear them.
And these people are show pity too.
No, this them say me bad mind for. Me bad mind. One woman for bad mind girl for dirty house.
That's what I'm
saying. Is there a mountain now? Mountain post it, baby?
Shay. That's what I'm telling you. I pay dirty people up on the internet.
Oh.
On the internet.
Them a hypocrite she be because guess what now? Them over there talk about she for sue them and she for this and she for that. But when she did put out and say she a put out, she and her sister blame them sit down on live, say them a put out this a put out that. Nobody never see none about no story. Nobody laugh and kiki.
Yeah,
Make me sweet.
Derek man.
Sweet.
When she put out Derek man, when she put out Andrew, you know attack. You're afraid Derek come a Belgium?
No, Derek. She put out Derek man too. No, I come it's Mary. She put out Derek man too. She made for sure you how the girl obsessed with me. The girl put me up on her WhatsApp story.
When he put her up on my one today.
I put her up on my one today.
Because everybody see that true with that talk all along.
I put up on her WhatsApp story. I put her up on my one back.
Yeah. Everybody say all along. I tell the truth. I tell you to say.
This is her back on my one.
Yeah, man. And this them support Shay. This them support. See mother ya. See mother ya. So when
I read. Remember them girl mother of the year, you know?
Yeah, remember me them harassing and saying me no split justice, you know?
No, remember me them bring up. Me are the careless mother and she are the mother of the year.
Yeah, remember me no split justice.
Yeah. Big up the mother of the year.
The man that sit down for the pin in them bed. Sit down for the pin in them bed in the living room. I don't know all kids sleep in the living room in 2025. We can't understand foreign, we can't understand local.
Our color was the tarpaulin. What should be?
The tarpaulin now no color.
Our color was the tarpaulin for the ground.
No. Rosealee. They will never see Rosealee apartment. Hey.
Why? You see the sheet? The sheet.
Shay, I mean, I tell about the sheet.
It's dirty.
Yeah, well, I mean, I have it. I mean, I tell about the sheet, Mr. Rosealee slum some.
So why so much garbage there all over the place on the ground and so all under the bed one charger there right there so?
No man, you know it's a cable and wireless.
A cable, oh some cable.
You know it's a cable and wireless and I need a child's bed. Me did talk about it one time. Me did talk about it to the mountain where you run.
So the fan now no wait them there. No front part on the fan. I just
no, me not like the fan now the front part, you know, cause that's how we in Jamaica, but God knows.
So what them your address for this?
So you take out some and throw it over the side. Over mountain, all we go over mountain. All over mountain and we see. Go up and over mountain.
Then you are bad.
Hey, the people them a tag me now. Who not tag me now, blood clot video now. She be never tag me that video, so them out of order.
Yeah, I'm glad that you them attack Shay because right
now. Don't tag what you people them. Who not tag?
Yeah, the sheet are puzzle me.
Hey, mix up people. Yeah, me say not tag me now.
But I know that she be.
Eh?
She says a sting operation. So you know, she said, I'm going to take the police, go take the jail for the wrong one.
The police live up jail on the Rosealee wall.
I'll take him off her. Take him out of the wrong one. Come in and can't find the one.
That's true. Then I'm trying them, the police them out to order though, them show those anti-rose this.
Hey, our new man take up it. You see the things that we should dash on the side there, sir?
You just ask you. You can see the clothes.
She can't be clothes. Watch her, she just dash the clothes them over there, so. Watch her.
So that's what she carry her place.
That's what she carry herself.
Oh, wow.
Jimmy!
Wow.
Wait, me I show you the door. Mama, you never see this yet.
From a band.
You see that door, yeah? Bombo clot! Bombo blood clot! Who live here, so? Bombo clot! She be look on the door, yeah? Bombo clot! Me never see one door look so yet! Bombo clot! Sorry for create excitement. I do because I never see one door looks in my life yet.
People, I know say all that door they maybe need some bleach and soap and water. Remember me tell you, look, yo, the door look a waste still, you know, people. That not supposed to be in a house. You know what I mean? That not supposed to be on house, none at all. Yeah, it look a waste still. People, me say it and it come to pass. Me say, Rosealee, like how them a cuss and I say your house stay away and re sort out your place. Yo, me people, it no matter if she want a house for herself or whatever, you have to keep yourself. If you make the money certain way, you have to sort out which part you live. You see me? Spend a $1 and just around 2 million and just, you know, if you fix up a place properly, kind of, you remember enough your own, you know what I mean? But nice up the place, make it look presentable. But let me know what you think, my people. I watch someone, then we're going to end it.
Jesus Christ! No, man! No!
On to the money. And that now we see why the goalie come over in the house.
No, she be, oh God, no, man. Oh Lord.
No, stop it. Maybe,
Oh God,
no.
man.
Stop it. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Jesus.
No, man. Then share the picture that look good here.
No, it's what kind of door with one rag up them beard in the Jesus.
No, one just at the garage. At the garage, they're behind this, so she did tell me. I won't listen to
Jesus, please.
No, but she not here now. No, around this so them fix the things them like the washing machine with the front. That around this so they fix it and then fix the vehicle too. And for sure, no man, I'm a part of the house now. That is the garage door. The garage door, you don't know garage door.
The garage door, Lord Jesus, your garage.
Yeah, the garage door. Yeah, they fix things behind us.
So I was sleeping on the garage.
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Listen.
Somebody said Jake's a mechanic.
When the woman, when they go and they go tell the woman what she say, they got time. Every she say Shay name. I say she go.
Yes, she upset her.
I say she upset.
Then at this upset her now. At this upset her, she will come and she will say, yeah, I'm a could give Rosealee not even a tap. I could give her a tap. Then at the environment that you go pick it in, I see why they pick them talk to her, so the pick them supposed to go to school stink. Them have to go to school stink.
People say them always dirty. And that the people that see her class like are picking them. So them always dirty.
Them have to go to school stink.
And so she carry, just like she and her wife carry themselves, and so she carry the picking them. You remember two women that grow the picking them, you know?
Yeah. Then you can imagine